Hello students, I am Malesh, Zoology faculty in SRDG PU College. Today I am going to take a new chapter, Human Reproduction. The first question on this chapter is, number of testicular lobules in each testis are option A 250, B 500, C 750, D 200 to 300. Testis. It is a plural word, but singular word is testis. Okay, the testes are the most essential organs of the male reproductive system. The function of the testes are they produce both sperm and androgens. Androgens, nothing but the male hormone that is called as the testosterone. The testes are situated in the abdominal cavity within a pouch. This is a pouch. Okay. Within a pouch, that outside the abdominal cavity within the pouch, that pouch is called scrotum. Okay, the scrotum maintains the low temperature, that is in between 2 to 2.5 degrees centigrade below the body temperature. In adults, each testis is oval in shape. It is oval in shape and covered by a dense covering or a sheath is called as the tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea. Next, each testis is composed of the locules. These locules are called testicular locules. Okay, there are 250 locules are in a testis. Okay, each testicular locule is consist of 2 to 3 fine elongated thread-like structures are called as the seminiferous tubules. Okay. Therefore, in the given option A, that is 250 is the right answer. Move to next question. Spermatozoa are nourished during their development by option A Sertoli cells, B connective tissue cells, C interstitial cells, D none of the above. Sertoli cells. These are also called as nurse cells. These are also called as nurse cells or supporting cells. Supporting cells. These cells are located in the testis, are found in testis. Sertoli cells are particularly located in the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are located in the testicular locule or lobule. It helps in the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process of formation of haploid sperm from the diploid sperm mother cell takes place within the seminiferous tubules. At the end of the spermatogenesis, means after spermiogenesis, Spermiogenesis is nothing but transformation of spermatids. Transformation of the spermatids into spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. This is a spermatid. Then it transforms into male gamete, that is called as a sperm or spermatozoa. Okay. Sertoli cells absorbing extra cytoplasm from newly created spermatozoa just prior to their release into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules. Therefore, in the given option A, that is Sertoli cells, is the right answer. Move to next question. Testosterone is produced by option A, acinar cells, B, Graafian cells, C, Leydig cells, D, hepatic cells. As you know about the spermatogenesis, spermatogenesis is nothing but it is a process of formation of haploid sperm from diploid sperm mother cell. It is diploid in nature and it is haploid in nature. In testes by the process of meiosis. Okay. In the male body, the process of spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty. Puberty. Due to significant increase in the secretion of the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Gonadotropin releasing hormone, GnRH. This is called hypothalamic hormone. Hypothalamic hormone. Increased level of GnRH that acts on the anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary. That is also called as the adenohypophysis and stimulates the secretion of two gonadotrophins. Gonadotrophins. The two gonadotrophins are LH and FSH. LH is nothing but luteinizing hormone and FSH is called as the follicle stimulating hormone. The LH means luteinizing hormone. It acts on the Leydig cells. Leydig cells, or these are also called as the interstitial cells. These cells are located in between the seminiferous tubules inside the testes. These are called as the interstitial cells or Leydig cells. These cells synthesize and secretes the androgen. Androgen, that is called as the testosterone. Therefore, in the given option C, that is Leydig cells, Leydig cells is the right answer. Go to next question. The function of ovary is option A, to produce female gamete, B, to provide the site for fertilization, C, to produce several steroid hormones, D, both A and C. In female, ovary is nothing but it is a female reproductive organ, or it is also called as gonad. The ovary is a ductless reproductive gland. It is ductless reproductive gland. The females have a pair of, this is the female reproductive system, on either side of the uterus. A pair of ovaries are located, and they held by a membrane beside the uterus on either side of the lower abdomen. The ovaries have two main reproductive functions. These two ovaries perform two functions. The first function is they produce the female reproductive gamete, that is called as the ova or ovum. Ova is plural word, ovum is singular word, okay, are also called as oocytes or eggs. For the fertilization, next another function is they produce the reproductive steroid hormone. They are called as the estrogen, and one more hormone is called as the progesterone. Therefore, in the given option D, that is both A and C, is the right answer. Move to next question. The womb is the another name of option A, vagina, B, cervix, C, oviduct, D, uterus. Watch on board. In humans, female reproductive system consists of first part, that is uterus, next second one is ovary, cervix, cervical canal, vagina, and the fallopian tube, or it is also called as the oviduct. In the female reproductive system, uterus is also called as womb. The organ in the body of woman or the other female mammals in which a baby develops before birth, that is also called uterus. Therefore, in the given option D, uterus is the right answer. Move to next question. The mammary glands are paired structure that contain glandular tissue and variable amount of fat. The glandular tissue of breast is divided into option A, 10 to 12 mammary lobes, B, 12 to 16 mammary lobes, C, 15 to 20 mammary alveoli, D, 15 to 20 mammary lobes. Watch on board. A functional mammary gland is characteristic of all female mammals. The mammary glands are paired structures that contain the glandular tissue and variable amount of the fat. The glandular tissue of breast or mammary gland is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. These are the mammary lobes containing clusters of cells are called alveoli. The cells of alveoli secrete milk, which is stored in the cavities or lumens of alveoli. Therefore, in the given option D, 15 to 20 mammary lobes is the right answer. Move to next question. The cavity contained in Graafian follicle is A. Antrum, B. Centrocell, C. Blastocell, D. Archenteron. The Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle is nothing but it is a matured follicle with ovum. Okay. The follicular antrum is the portion of an ovarian follicle. This is the antrum. It is filled with follicular fluid. Follicular fluid. Appearance of the follicular antrum during follicular maturation is the first sign that a follicle has reached the next stage of maturation. It has changed from a primary follicle to secondary follicle. Therefore, in the given option A, antrum is the right answer. Move to next question. Movement of sperm is by option A, head, B, acrosome, C, middle piece, D, tail or flagellum. Watch on board. The sperm is the male reproductive gamete. Human sperm cell or human sperm measures about 50 microns. 50 microns. And sperm composed of mainly the parts like head, neck, middle piece and tail. Okay. Head is located at the anterior side and it is covered by a cap-like structure is called as acrosome. The middle piece possesses numerous mitochondrial spirals or mitochondria which produce energy for the movement of tail that facilitate sperm motility essential for the fertilization. Therefore, in the given option C, middle piece is the right answer. Move to next question. Gamete are formed in animals from option A, muscular tissue, B, nervous tissue, C, connective tissue, D, epithelial tissue. Watch on board. Gametes are the reproductive cells or germ cells. An epithelium is a tissue composed of one or more layers of cells covering the external and internal surface of the various body parts. The term epithelium it is singular word, epithelia is a plural word, was given by a Dutch anatomist Ruysch, Ruysch, in ovaries and seminiferous tubules. Ovaries and seminiferous tubules which are found in the testis, inside the testis within a locules, are covered by a layer that is called as the germinal epithelium. Okay, in ovary is covered by or bounded by an epithelial tissue, then this is called as the germinal epithelium. Similarly, inside the seminiferous tubule or the wall of the seminiferous tubule is also lined by a layer of epithelial tissue that is called as germinal epithelial. Because these cells, means germinal epithelial cells, produce gametes, like ovary produce ova. Similarly, seminiferous tubules produce the sperms or spermatozoa. Therefore, in the given option D, epithelial tissue is the right answer. Move to next question. Human sperm was discovered by option A. Leeuwenhoek, B. Aristotle, C. Graf, D. Pander. As you know about sperm is a male reproductive gamete or it is a germ cell. The sperm were first observed in 1677 by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Therefore, in the given option A, Leeuwenhoek is the right answer. Move to next question. In 28-day human ovarian cycle, ovulation occurs on option A, day 1, option B, day 5, option C, day 14, option D, day 28. Ovulation is the release of eggs from the ovaries. The secretions of gonadotropins like FSH and LH increase gradually during the follicular phase and stimulates the follicular development as well as secretion of estrogen by growing follicles. Both LH and FSH attain a peak level in the middle of cycle, that is the 14th day. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid-cycle, that is called LH surge. This induces rupture of Graafian follicle and release the ovum. Therefore, in the given option C, that is 14th day, is the right answer. Move to next question. What does the figure show? Option A, ovarian cancer, B, uterine cancer, C, tubectomy, D, vasectomy. Surgical methods are also called sterilization. Surgical methods are generally advised for the male or female partner as a terminal method to prevent any more pregnancies. Surgical intervention blocks the gamete transport and prevent conception. The given figure shows the tubectomy. In tubectomy, a small part of the fallopian tube is removed or tied up through a small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. Therefore, in the given option C, that is the tubectomy, is the right answer. Move to next question. Okay, students, it is the time to end this episode. I think you have understood about this chapter. At the end of every episode, we will ask a question to the students. The student question is, a cell formed from cleavage is called option A, blastomere, B, blastopore, C, blastula, D, morula. Please send your SMS to 888-4486915 in the format SRDG-ZOO-2PU3. Type your answer A or B or C or D. The first 3 correct SMS senders will get a gift from SRDG PU College. Okay, students, in the next episode, we will meet with a new topic. Till that time, have a nice day.
Vidyadayini Residential School, KR Nagar, Harihar. Admissions open from nursery to 10th CBSE syllabus. Srimati Radhabai D. Gopal Rao PU College. Admissions open for PUC Science and Commerce. And Vidyadayini Degree College. Admissions open for BCom and BA. Contact today 94481 15118.